she puts a lid to cook the top. Now, if you're wondering why we're using water,
I'm using water so I can make pho for Ellie. That's what the egg noodles are for.
that was your appetizer.
Like more of these egg noodles?
Wow, just went for those first. Were you supposed to sing happy birthday?
No, you could do it with whipped cream.
You can't really see it on the video.
You know what would be so great right now?
What?
For breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Yoga.
We might as well just go get Yoji.
Not open.
It's snowing.
Oh, you can't see it on
Kind of.
I bet if you put it on the ground, you'll be able to see it.
You think? Like,
Lift the camera.
flip it up?
Down on the ground. Like, show the ground.
Is it working?
You should have just stopped the video.
Oh, you're asking for a walking shot?
No, stop walking.
All right. Secret guess.
Also, you know what actually is a secret? I snuck this, but we're not at this place.
Dun, dun, dun. Practical camera effects. Who needs editing? Secret guess. I didn't take any, but we just ate there.
By we, I mean Johan inhaled the food there and was so happy. As in, I've never seen him so happy in his life.
They brought me joy.
You can't see them, but they're in the car.
This is so good. I like that. My coworkers had this. They said they like it.
Look at the end of the line.
I finally go get this. Every single one. All HeyTea.
The green grape boom. What do you mean? Just go too. It's fine. Yeah, we'll end up right behind you anyways. It doesn't matter. Got a card. Hey, I'm with Tommy. Woo! All right. What are we doing?
We're painting Pokemon cards. Except Johan forgot to log it.
Yeah, we already started.
What's new?
Not wrong. All right. We'll see where this goes. Progress update. Progress update.
Hey, I'm only not that far along because I'm eating a taco.
All right, progress update. Here's mine. And there's Amy's. Good Lord. It's so good.
I'm so tired.
It's nighttime and I'm eating dinner, but we have guests. Tommy and Jenny. Oh, Tommy and Jenny. We're painting Pokemon cards. Amy's over there.
Wait, what does everyone want to say?
Progress update. Progress update.
Progress, really. I found 3 flowers.
Amy is working on the same one from yesterday.
I'm distracted.
Yeah, we're watching Pokemon. We're painting Pokemon.
Oh, that's a lot of vegetables. I found a... Woo!
Biff.
That's how I say beef.
Don't worry, she put in the soup base.
Think of this in the
Probably. Wow.
It's still boiling. It looks so yummy. Oh, hot. 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 Oh, so good.
Nice.
That you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the